Hi, I'm Kat from Cardigang, and today I'm introducing you to the Frankie Knit Kit. So the Frankie is great if you're picking up the sticks for the first time. She is super beginner friendly. We knit her flat, which is the best way, in our opinion, to learn how to knit. She's available in 2 different length options. So we've got the regular length, which is this one, and we've got the cropped length, which you can see here for a bit of context. And so let's dive into what you get in your kit. So in your knit kit, you're going to get 3 to 4 balls of Australian merino wool, depending on your size and in the colour of your choice. And you also have the option to add a needle pack to your kit. So in your needle pack, you're going to get a set of 15mm needles, which look like this. And you'll also get some 10mm needles, which look like this. And the last piece is your darning needle. So that's a small little needle, and you use that to sew your pieces together at the end. So Frankie can take anywhere from like 8 to 10 hours to knit. If you're a brand new beginner, she might take a little bit longer, and that's totally fine. Just go at a pace that you're comfortable with. So all of our knit kits use 2 stitches, your knit stitch and your purl stitch, and we do cover that off in a different video, which is called How to Learn the Basics. So get familiar with those, because then you're going to dive right in and cast your stitches on using your 10mm needles, which look like this. And your stitches will go onto the pink bit. That's totally fine. You're not expected to be able to fit everything on this, and it'll get a little bit cramped. But in order to knit this guy, we start off by casting on our stitches, and then we do a rib stitch, which is a different combination using our knit and purl. And then we move on to our bigger needles and we create what we call the garter stitch, and that's just done by doing rows of knit stitch. So if you do have any questions or troubles along the way, just give us a shout. We're available on email and also via Instagram. We can't wait to see you rock your finished masterpiece.